Hi, I'm Sanj Sukumaran, Doctor of Audiology and Clinical Director at the Ear Company. Welcome back to our segment on All About Hearing. This segment is speaking about having your hearing tested. Why should you have your hearing tested? Well, one of the things I've recognized when it comes to hearing testing is the hardest part is getting someone to come in this door. Once you're here, it all makes sense, you've got what you need. But getting someone to come in can be very difficult. So why would that be? Well, when we speak about our eyes, we're happy to go have our annual vision test and find out whether we need these or not, or to find out if we have normal vision. When we talk about our teeth, we want to take good care of our teeth, and we do a good job now of having our regular checkups done to find out about our teeth. But when it comes to our hearing, we don't seem to put that in the same category. Hearing seems to have a stigma with it, a self-judgment perhaps. When you lose your hearing, that means you're getting old. Well, in actuality, our hearing starts to change on us much earlier than we would think. Our hearing will start to change in our 40s oftentimes. Now, it doesn't mean you have a hearing loss in your 40s, but we can go from the top of normal and start to find that it starts to change on us a little bit and things aren't quite as sharp or as distinct as they used to be. We might recognize that now we're using our eyes a little bit more when we're trying to figure out what people are saying, or leaning in a little bit to try to really clarify what they're saying. The thing with hearing is that it's a very good idea to just baseline your hearing so that you can actually gauge change. Otherwise, you really don't know what it's doing from this year to that year. And especially for those who work in noise and they've got some at-risk situations, it's a very good idea to simply check your hearing. We have a little campaign going on called Just Check It. So if you don't know what your hearing is like, we're suggesting you simply check it. Just check it. Have a baseline of where you stand so you can see when it actually starts to change. Just check it. It's the best thing you can do for yourself in the long run, so you are the one who's taking care of your health and knowledgeable about it. You should be the one who's in control of your own destiny.
All About Hearing is brought to you by the Ear Company on Lansdowne Street. The Ear Company, your best choice for better hearing.